The new Oracle LED side mirrors for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma are here. These housings replace your factory mirror housings and provide a sophisticated and almost factory look to adding ditch lights to the side of your Tacoma. These provide a 45-degree beam pattern with 2,200 lumens of illumination. These lights install easily utilizing the factory mounting points and the Oracle included hardware. Rather than projecting light forward, which is redundant with the headlights, these are designed to provide optimized peripheral visibility. These housings are made from a rugged polycarbonate with an anodized metal lens guard. This lens guard protects sophisticated LED optics that give you an optimized beam pattern for the ultimate visibility at night. These are now available for purchase, so be sure to visit www.oraclelights.com or call us at 1-800-407-5776.